hurt. Our minds are right, our eyes are bright. We are smart, we are ready to start our lesson. So let's get it, let's get it, let's get in our minds. We are smart, we are brave, we are beautiful in every way. So let's start today.
Hello, my little kiddies. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Hello, my little kitties. Today, we have a great lesson on being safe. It is important that you listen carefully and remember the things that can help you to stay safe. So let's get our listening ears and enjoy the lesson.
Welcome, little safety superheroes. Hi, neighbors. It's so great to see all your smiling faces today. Are you ready to embark on a fun and exciting journey with us? Today, we're going to talk about something very important: safety. Safety is all about making sure we stay out of harm's way and protect ourselves and others. It's a big part of our everyday lives, whether we're at home, at school, or out playing with friends. Safety means staying away from danger. For example, if you see a sign that says danger, it's important to keep a safe distance. This could be near a construction site, a busy road, or even a place with sharp objects. Always remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. By staying safe, we keep ourselves healthy and strong. When we avoid dangerous situations, we can continue to run, play, and have fun without getting hurt. Being healthy means we can enjoy all the activities we love, like playing sports, dancing, and exploring new places. Do you like to play superheroes? Superheroes are brave, strong, and always ready to help others. They wear cool costumes and have amazing powers. But did you know that you don't need a cape or special powers to be a superhero? Well, today, you can be a safety superhero. A safety superhero is someone who knows how to stay safe and helps others do the same. You can be a hero by following safety rules and encouraging your friends and family to do the same. Safety superheroes know how to stay safe and help others stay safe too. For example, you can remind your friends to look both ways before crossing the street, or help a younger sibling understand why it's important to wear a helmet when riding a bike. Every small action counts. Are you ready for an adventure? Being a safety superhero is not just about following rules. It's also about having fun while learning new things. We're going to explore different ways to stay safe in various situations, and you'll get to practice your superhero skills along the way. Let's learn how to be safety superheroes together. We'll discover tips and tricks to keep ourselves and our friends safe. And by the end of our journey, you'll be a certified safety superhero. So, let's get started and make safety a fun and exciting adventure for everyone. Do you know who your safety sidekicks are? They are your grown-ups. Your grown-ups are the special people in your life who are always there to protect you and make sure you are safe and sound. Your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, and even your aunts and uncles can be your safety sidekicks. They are always looking out for you, or anyone who takes care of you, like your babysitter, teacher, or coach. They all want to make sure you are safe and happy.
Always listen to your grown-ups. They have lots of experience and know what is best for you. When they give you advice or instructions, it's because they want to keep you out of harm's way. They love you very much and want to keep you safe. They show their love in many ways, like giving you hugs, making your favorite meals, and spending time with you. When they say stop or don't touch, it's because they care about you. They want to make sure you don't get hurt or find yourself in a dangerous situation.
Can you give your grown-up a big hug and tell them how much you appreciate them? They do so much to keep you safe every day. And say thank you for keeping me safe. It's important to let them know how much you value their care and protection. They will be so happy to hear it from you. Remember, your grown-ups are always there for you, whether you are at home, at school, or out and about. They are your biggest supporters and your safety champions. So next time you see your grown-up, give them a big smile and a thank you. They are your heroes, always working to keep you safe and sound. You can even make them a special card or draw them a picture to show your appreciation. Little gestures like these mean a lot to them. Spend time with your grown-ups and learn from them. They have so much wisdom to share, and they love teaching you new things. Whether it's reading a book together, learning to ride a bike, or just talking about your day, these moments are precious and help build a strong bond. At the end of the day, when you go to bed, remember that your grown-ups are always thinking about your safety and well-being. They want you to have sweet dreams and wake up ready for a new day of adventures. So start each day with a smile, knowing that your grown-ups are there to support you and keep you safe. They are your safety sidekicks, and they will always be by your side.
A stranger is someone you don't know. They are people you haven't met before, and you don't know anything about them. They could be anyone you see in public places like parks, stores, or even on the street. It's important to understand that not all strangers are bad, but since you don't know them, you should always be cautious. It's like a new fish in a big ocean. Imagine you're a little fish swimming in a vast ocean filled with many other fish. Some fish you know well, like your family and friends, but there are many fish you've never seen before. These new fish are like strangers to you. They might be friendly, or they might not be, and that's why you need to be careful. You don't know if they're friendly or not. Just like you can't tell if a new fish in the ocean is friendly or dangerous, you can't tell if a stranger is nice or not just by looking at them. They might seem kind, but it's always better to be safe and keep your distance until you know more about them. It's important to be careful around strangers. Always stay close to your parents or guardians when you're in public places. If you ever feel unsure or scared, hold their hand and let them know how you feel. They are there to keep you safe and help you understand who you can trust.
Guess what, my precious kitties? We have a new theme song written for us.
There is a place where we want to remain safe. There is a friendly face, a warm embrace, protected by love. We have to listen and see if bad people are trying to get me. My parents would agree I deserve to be free. Like a bird that flies high up in the sky. No one tried to hurt me, no one tried to get me. I'm protected by good people, friendly, kind and gentle. Listen to the ones you can trust, leaving bad people in the dust. Staying safe is a must, that goes for all of us. I deserve to be safe, I deserve to be safe. Being safe is cool, being safe is cool. Ooh, 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 ooh. Like a bird that flies high up in the sky. No one tried to hurt me, no one tried to get me. I'm protected by good people, friendly, kind and gentle. Listen to the ones you can trust, leaving bad people in the dust. Staying safe is a must, that goes for all of us. I deserve to be safe, I deserve to be safe. Being safe is cool. Ooh, 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 ooh.
All right, my little kitties. We've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. Friends from all nations. Go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.